WTI futures opened this session unchanged to edging slightly higher. We got a lot of news flow. First, with Iran, it appears to be a delay in any agreement. Also, a general dearth of new information with regards to Venezuela and any news about sanctions. That said, we also heard from Vortexa, who posted 7-day stationary tankers globally down 2.3% week over week. Started the session with the crack spread at a 1-week low, and also traders had to sift the ECB's announcement that they're predicting 2022 GDP slashing it by 0.5 percentage point. The U.S. session, or at least the bulk of it, remained in very volatile terms, tight ranges, but very volatile as it were. We had consumer sentiment from the University of Michigan hitting a 2011 low. Year-end inflation expectations are as high as they were from 1981. Also, news flow from the president, Biden's moving to revoke Russia's trade status. That definitely jolted markets temporarily. And also later in the afternoon, we heard news from Shell, one of the biggest refiners in Europe, who's cutting production as they're seeking alternatives to new oil. Lastly, Goldman Sachs slashed U.S. GDP down to 1.75% from 2%, also talking about higher probability of a recession if this continues. Lastly, I'm looking at options in April. I look at CME Group CVOL. April's trading in the 85th percentile on a 1-month basis, and at-the-money vols today are lower. Skew is lower as well, actually a lot lower. Both up variance and down variance are lower, but the up variance is down a lot more. Option volume is spread out. 109 strike clustered there. 110 calls, also the 107 puts. Lastly, the E-micro mini futures trading very heavily today. Yesterday posted a volume of over 338,000 with open interest of just about 30,000.